Arun Sayal here. I'm an emergency doctor from Toronto, Canada, and I'm also the creator of the CASTED course. In addition to my emergency work, for the last 12 or 14 years, I've worked in the minor fracture clinic, working with the orthopedic surgeons, seeing patients with minor fractures, but learning lots of orthopedic pearls from them. It's been given over 300 times now, mostly in Canada, but also in the US, the UK, and now in the Middle East. And our goal is really to talk about practical little pearls that will help you on your next shift. We help you make accurate diagnoses because we know that misdiagnoses of fractures are common in the emergency department. So we'll show you little pearls on history and physical and on reading x-rays that will help ensure that we make an accurate diagnosis in emerge. We'll also focus on emerge management. Who needs a reduction? How to reduce it? How to mold it? And you'll get practice doing these hands-on skills that are quite important. And finally, we'll chat about disposition. Who needs to see a surgeon and when do they need to see them? Which cases are surgical? Which just need a splint? Which ones we have to mold and make sure they hold in position? And at the end of the course, the hope is that you'll have a much better understanding of emerge orthopedics. We don't want you to memorize what to do, we actually want you to understand it. So it's really a case-based course, principle-based, and it'll give you a much better understanding of emergency orthopedics. It's a course that's really valuable to anybody who looks after patients in an emergency department. Whether you be an emergency consultant, an emergency resident, if you're a nurse, even if you're an orthopedic specialist, I think there'll be something we have to offer you some value, especially as an orthopedic trainee, that may help you understand. It's a fun day, it's a fun course rather, 2 full days, and we really hope that we can meet you next time we're here in Kuwait. Thank you.